Why should you create your very own GPT and parade it in OpenAI's GPT Store, you ask? Well, let me spill the beans in a way that's as fun as finding an extra fry at the bottom of your takeout bag. First off, imagine crafting a GPT that's as unique as your grandma's secret cookie recipe. This isn't just any GPT, it's your brainchild. Tailored to make your life or work as breezy as a hammock on a sunny beach. It's like having a magic wand, but for ChatGPT. A few swishes and clicks, and voila, your day just got easier. Now, let's talk moolah, the green, the cash. Did you know our friend Nick Dobos turned his GPT creation into a little gold mine, raking in thousands of dollars? Even before OpenAI rolled out the red carpet for the GPT Store. That's right. Your GPT could not only be your pride and joy but also a nifty little earner. Think of it as your digital lemonade stand. But instead of lemonade, you're serving up slices of AI brilliance. And here's the cherry on top. If you're brimming with knowledge in a certain area, why keep all that wisdom to yourself? Share it with the world through your GPT. It's like being a digital Santa Claus, handing out gifts of knowledge. And when your GPT users are over the moon with what they learn from your creation, guess what? You get to bask in the warm, fuzzy glow of making a difference. It's a win-win, a double scoop of joy. So there you have it, folks. Creating your own GPT is like embarking on a whimsical adventure in the AI wonderland, where you can spread knowledge, earn some extra dough, and make both yourself and others happier. Who knew AI could be such a delightful escapade?